A funnel cloud illuminated by lightning after it crossed Interstate 55 in Arkansas. Now, this is not far from Memphis, Tennessee. The area is in a level 5 out of 5 severe weather risk with multiple tornado warnings in that area tonight. Let's get you now to our chief meteorologist, Chris Holcomb. Chris, we don't have anything going on like that here, but this is certainly a lot of action in one particular section of our country.
And it's just a couple of states away, so it's close enough that we have to keep an eye on it. But as of right now, we're not worried about that moving in, at least for the next few days. Right now, we have just mainly clouds around. We had a couple of showers here over to the east of us tonight, but look just to the west of us where they are having a major tornado outbreak there. Look at all the tornado watches that are in effect. We have numerous severe thunderstorm warnings in effect here along the Mississippi River. It was very active around Memphis earlier with tornado warnings. Now a lot of those tornado warnings are to the north of that. Look at all of these red polygons, all of those indicating tornado warnings that are in effect in western parts of Kentucky, moving up closer to Louisville area and into Indiana as well. Very active night there. Many of these tornado warnings are actually tornado emergencies and confirmations of damage and tornadoes on the ground. Now, I know you're looking at that. Here we are in Atlanta. We have these storms to the west. Will they make it here? We are protected by an area of high pressure that is keeping that level 5 of 5 risk well out to the west of us, and that high is going to protect us for the next few days. So while we're not worried about storms, that high pressure system though will help to contribute to some really warm air moving in. Now overnight we're down to 66 in the morning, and then quickly moving up tomorrow. We'll be in the mid 80s by tomorrow afternoon, and we're not going to stop there. We're going to talk more about the record breaking heat at the end of the week coming up.
All right, Chris, thank you.